Hello students, today we are going to start the first lesson of history, that is of when, where and how. Okay, first of all we will start what is history. Beta, history is the study of past. The past events we studied, that is called history. History word is derived from the Greek language, the word historia, that means the narrative of past events. Okay, clear? History is better divided in two categories, prehistory and history. Okay, what is prehistory? First of all, the history before the writing period is known as prehistory. Okay, and the history after the writing period, the events occurred in Indian history, Indian societies, that is known as history. Clear? And the person beta who studies the histories, who find the clues and write the history about the past events, that person is known as historian. I hope this is clear to you now. But next we will read why we study history, why there is importance of history and what is the importance of history. Okay, very first point is this beta, it gives us knowledge about the societies, about the earlier people and their living styles. Okay, and also it tells us about the ancient Indian periods, kingdoms. Okay, how the empires established in India. These all things we will learn from history. Okay, I hope you clear this beta now. And now we will see sources from which we get the such type of information. Thus there are two types of sources. Number one is archaeological source and number two literary source. But in archaeological sources are the physical remains of the past, like coins, monuments means historical buildings, forts we can say, and mosques, temples, etc. Okay, fossils also and burial sites also come in the category of archaeological source. Okay, which gives us very valuable information. Okay, which helps us to reconstruct history, Indian history. Okay, then second type of sources are literary sources. The written material which we provided by the historians, that is known as literary source. Means the historians found some religious, non-religious books and autobiographies of the kings or biographies of the famous personalities, and they get the information about their lifestyle, about the economical, social and cultural life of the people. Okay, these sources are very important source of history. Okay, so next we will discuss about these things, influence of geography on Indian history. India's geographical condition is also very good. Okay, and it also create influence on history, Indian history. In the north side of India there is great Himalaya, which protect us from the foreign invaders and also helps to maintain our weather pleasant. Okay, and also it also helpful for the traders to develop their trades with the foreign countries. Okay, and India's long coastline also help to develop little functions, develop little bit livelihoods to the poor people, like fish catchers, fishermen, like okay, they get a livelihood from these things. I hope beta you clear this. Thanks and have a nice day.